Hi there, welcome to my channel. Jewelry can make or break an outfit. So, have you ever put on a necklace and felt like something's off? The secret. It all comes down to choosing the right necklace for your neckline. The right pairing can highlight your best features, create a balance, and make your whole outfit look effortlessly put together. So, let's dive into the art of necklace and neckline styling. If you love to learn about jewelry, please like this video and subscribe to my channel by hitting on the bell notification icon for more fascinating tips, tricks and trivia. So before we even begin to talk about the pairings, let's familiarize ourselves with the different neckline shapes. The goal is to complement the neckline and create a balance. So understanding the basics is the key. So let us go over some basic rules that will help you pair necklaces with any neckline. Length matters. So chokers and shorter necklaces go well with open and low necklines, whereas longer necklaces would flatter high necklines. Shape is the key. Choose a necklace that mimics or complements the shape of your neckline. For example, a V neckline would look great with a V-shaped pendant or a lariat necklace. Balance is the key. If your neckline is simple and minimalistic, you can go for a bold necklace. But if your neckline is already busy with details, you should opt for something subtle and simple. Think sleek metallic chains, pearls and monochromatic beads. So first up is V neckline. A V neckline elongates the neck and creates a natural plunge and a sleek vertical line. To enhance that effect, go for a necklace that mirrors the shape of a neckline, like a V-shaped pendant or a Y-shaped lariat necklace. Also, the necklace should end 1 or 2 inches above the neckline for a clean look. The same rule applies for wrap tops as well. For one shoulder tops, go for a longer necklace, one that ends 1 or 2 inches below the point where the fabric crosses the neck works the best. Scoop necklines expose more of the chest, so they pair well with round necklaces or statement pieces that follow the neckline's curve. Avoid wearing chokers because they cut off the neckline abruptly instead of complementing its shape. Since both necks are wide and horizontal, they pair well with longer necklaces that add some vertical balance. Think opera length strands or layered chains. Square necklines have a very modern and structured feel. A choker or an angular necklace with a geometric design like a triangular pendant or a hexagonal choker or a bib necklace with geometric cutouts works very well because it enhances that structure. Also, oval necklaces with bold symmetrical designs like the one I am wearing work very well because they add elegance and soften the sharp neckline. Off-shoulder styles highlight your collarbones and shoulders, making them the perfect canvas for chokers and short necklaces that sit right along the neckline. Since crew necks and turtlenecks cover the entire neck, the best way to balance them out is with long necklaces. Think opera styles or robe styles. They add length and prevent the look from feeling too closed up. For buttoned up collar shirts, a long statement necklace under the collar looks elegant and polished. And if you're leaving the top button open, go for a shorter or more minimalistic necklace that ends 1 or 2 inches before the buttoning starts. Before we wrap up, here are some final tips. Choose jewelry that follows the shape of your neckline and complements your overall outfit. Do consider the occasion. Wear understated jewelry if the occasion is work or say a formal event, and you can go for bold jewelry if you want to experiment with party looks, or even for a casual outing you can go bold at times when your mood is like that. And please don't mix too many bold elements, and if your outfit has intricate details, you should keep the jewelry toned down and subtle and simple. And if your outfit is very simple, maybe you can like jazz it up with a bold statement piece. Don't forget your personal style. Always remember, the best jewelry is the one that makes you feel confident. Mastering necklaces and neckline pairing is one of the simple ways to elevate your style and to give that extra bit of polish to your outfits. experiment with different combinations and figure out what suits you the best. And if you found this guide useful, please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel by hitting on the bell notification icon, and don't forget to write in the comments what is your favorite or go-to necklace style. Shop now at iridiza.com and the link is in the description. Bye bye. See you until next time.